Today we are making momos and hot and spicy chutney or sauce. This is my all-time favorite. Let's get started. Marinate the chicken first. I've taken 500 grams of minced chicken. I'm gonna add half an onion finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, two green chilies finely chopped, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and 1 tablespoon of garlic finely chopped. I'm gonna marinate this for 30 minutes. I have used 2 different colors of dough here just to make it colorful and flavorful. I've used plain flour for the dough and added 2 tablespoons of beetroot juice to add color and flavor. You can also use carrot juice or coriander juice for different colors and flavors. Roll the colored dough, then the plain dough into the colored dough and cut into smaller portions. Roll the smaller portions to desired size. Now if you're not using colored dough, just use the plain dough, that's fine as well. Roll the smaller portions to desired size to stuff approximately 1 tablespoon of marinated minced chicken. Alrighty, chicken is marinated for 30 minutes and is ready for stuffing. So let's stuff 1 tablespoon of chicken and shape the momos. I'm using a classic momos shape. You can try different shapes and do post a picture of what color and what shape you used for your momos. Momos are ready to be steamed. I'm using an idli steamer to steam them. Grease the plate and place the momos onto the plate. Steam for 10 minutes. While the momos are steaming, let's prepare the chutney or hot and spicy sauce. We will need 2 finely chopped green chilies, half an onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 cup tomato puree, and a pinch of salt. Heat a pan on medium-high flame, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add green chilies, ginger and garlic, and fry until golden brown. Then add soy sauce, pinch of salt and tomato ketchup and stir for 1 minute. Add tomato puree and let it cook for 5 minutes or until the sauce thickens. Today's food fact. Did you know garlic has antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral and antiseptic properties? If you know any similar food facts, do let me know in the comments below. So the delicious and colorful momos are ready, guys. I'm up for a taste. That's really yummy. Let me know how you like it in the comments. Thank you.